Sanibonani, ninjani namhlanje. Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to Zulu lesson 3. Let's get right into it. Sanibona mama, ninjani? Yebo sawubona ndoda. Sikhona wena unjani? Nami ngiyaphila. Wenzani namhlanje? Ngiya emsebenzini manje. Izolo ngiye eGoli. Namhlanje ngisebenza eTshwane. Kulungile. Uzobuya nini? Ngo-8 p.m. Kulungile. Sobonana uma ubuya. Sanibona mama. Ninjani? Hello mother or ma'am. How are you? Here we have the plural form, sanibona, and it's to show respect. When we're speaking to someone and we want to show more respect, we use the plural form. Ninjani, how are you, in the plural form. Yebo sawubona ndoda. Hi man or sir. Sikhona wena unjani? We are here, we are well. You, how are you? Nami ngiyaphila. Me too, I am well. Wenzani namhlanje? What are you doing today? You are doing what today? Ngiya emsebenzini manje. I'm going to work now. Izolo ngiye eGoli. Yesterday I went to Johannesburg. Namhlanje ngisebenza eTshwane. Today I am working in Tshwane. Kulungile. Alright. Uzobuya nini? You will come back when? When will you come back? Go 8 p.m. at 8. Kulungile sobonana uma ubuya. Alright. See you when you come back. So for our vocabulary we have ukwenza, or the root enza, which means to do or to make. So if I say you make, it's wenza. If I say I make or I do, it's ngenza. Then we have ukusebenza, to work. Ukubuya, to return or to come back. Ukubonana, to see each other. Ukubona is to see, and then ana is reciprocal, so we have to see each other. Indoda is a man. Emsebenzini, at or to work. Nini, when. Uma also means when, but it's more like if, or it joins sentences, so when something happens. It's not a question. And then the suffix ni that you add to the end of a verb means what. Wenzani, what are you doing? Ufunani, what do you want? Namhlanje, today. And izolo, yesterday. How it works. Today we're going to look at the past tense, very useful, and then we're going to look at the verb to have, or actually just the expression to have. It's not really a verb in Zulu, and then at some subjects as well. So to form the past tense, again we have a short form and a long form as in the present tense. The short form just ends in e, and the long form ends in ile. Ngibone yonke, I saw everything. Ngibone yonke. The long form, ngibonile, I saw. Ngifunde isiZulu, I learned Zulu. Ngifundile, I learned, I studied, in the long form. And then we have this particle na, which means with. And to be able to understand how this works better, we need to know the sound change that takes place. This isn't only applicable to na, but also to other particles we'll look at later. But the sound change is the same. Na plus u equals no. Na plus I equals ne. So a lot of nouns start with u or I. It's a very common way to start a noun. So all person names, first names, or nouns of people, like ubuti, the brother. If you want to say with the brother, it's going to be nobuti. usam, with Sam, no Sam. Then a lot of nouns of things start with I, like imoto, the car, the motor car. With a car, nemoto. So to say I have something, you literally say I am with that thing. So let's look at imali, meaning money. And because of the sound change, with money is going to be nemali. Nginemali. I have money. I am with money. If we look at another noun like inkinga, which is a problem, with the problem will be nenkinga. I have a problem, nginenkinga. And to negate this, to say I don't have, then we start with angi. Angi, again, the negative and the personal pronoun. And then we drop this first vowel of the noun, and it just becomes angina mali. Angina mali. Now we don't have this sound change anymore because we've actually dropped this vowel altogether. I don't have a problem. Anginankinga. Anginankinga. I am not with problem. And problem in this special case without the first vowel. Another very common way to say you have something or you don't have something is to actually emphasize the thing by using a pronoun. You're literally saying, I have it money. Nginayo imali. I am with it, the money. Nginayo imali. Anginayo imali. Now we say, I don't have it. The money stays the same because it's on its own. It's not part of this expression anymore. Now it's just, I am not with it. And what am I not with? Money. Anginayo imali. It's also a common way to ask questions. If you have something, unabo abantwana, unayo imali. Do you have money? Do you have children, etc. Izingane zami zifunda isiZulu. So in this section, I just want to introduce you a bit to the alliteration that is so prevalent in Zulu and in Xhosa. It is something that is a common characteristic in the Bantu languages, but especially prevalent in Xhosa and Zulu because they retained their noun prefixes more than some of the other Bantu languages. So we have, for instance, the sentence, Izingane zami zifunda isiZulu. The children of me, they learn isiZulu. My children learn isiZulu. Abantu bafuna ukudla. The people, they want food. Abantu bafuna ukudla. And then we have Sipi iskole sami. Where is my school? Sipi or sikupi, they're the same. It is where, and now this it is si because isikole starts with isi. Sipi isikole sami. Where is the school of me? Usikhuluma isiZulu na? Here we have the object, isiZulu, the language, and the si, it, comes over here. You, it, speak isiZulu. Usikhuluma isiZulu na? Ziphi izingane zakho, or zikuphi izingane zakho. They are where? The children of yours. Where are your children? Ngizibone engadini. Ngizibone, I saw them, the izingane, the children, engadini, in the garden. Here's a summary of the personal pronouns. As subjects, if you want to say I speak, ngikhuluma, you speak, ukhuluma, he or she speaks, ukhuluma. The plural forms, we speak, sikhuluma, you guys speak, nikhuluma, they speak, bakhuluma. Sawubona mngani wami. Yebo bu James. Kunjani? Kugrand. Wena unjani? Kulungile. Kodwa ngikhathele. Izolo ngisebenze kakhulu. Konje ngikhulume no Christopher. Ufuna ukudlala ibola kusasa. Ufuna ukuhlala nawe? Yebo, ngifuna kakhulu. Kulungile, sobonana kusasa. Sobonana. Sawubona mngani wami. Hello, my friend. Yebo, Bu James. Hi, brother James. Kunjani, how's it? Kugrand. Wena unjani? It's good. How are you? Kulungile. It's fine, I'm fine. Kodwa ngikhathele. I am tired, but I am tired. Izolo ngisebenze kakhulu. Yesterday I worked, short form, kakhulu, much. I worked a lot yesterday. Konje, by the way, ngikhulume no Christopher. I spoke with Christopher. Ufuna ukudlala ibola kusasa. He wants to play soccer tomorrow. Ufuna ukudlala nawe. You want to play too. Also you. Do you also want to play? Yebo, ngifuna kakhulu. Yes, I want very much. Kulungile, sobonana kusasa. Alright, see you tomorrow. Literally, we will see each other tomorrow. Sobonana. Vocab. Khathele is tired. Ukudlala is to play. Ibola, soccer. Kusasa, tomorrow. Abantu, people. Izingane, children. Imali, money. Imoto, car. Inkinga, problem. Your job is to match the sentences correctly. I'll just read the Zulu sentences for you. Unayo imali? Yebo, nginayo. Unawo amanzi? Yebo, nginawo. Usikhuluma kahle isiZulu. Usifunde kuphi? Ngifuna ukuya eKapa. Siyaphi namhlanje? Wenzeni izolo? Ngifunde isiZulu eMzansi. Wenzani eGoli? Ngikhulume noThandiwe. That's it for lesson 3. I hope you had fun. Stay tuned for more practice videos and lessons.